Hi, hello students. Welcome to SEMS Grade 10 Science classes. Dear students, yesterday you have studied about acids, bases and salts. In that chapter, you have studied the physical properties of acids. Is it right? What are the physical properties of acids are there? Then what are the examples are there? What is meant by strong acids? What is meant by weak acids? Along with examples you have studied. Is it right? So today you are going to study about physical properties of bases and its examples. Okay, physical properties of bases. See, these are opposite to acids. Dear students, we will go for flashback to the acids. Acids are, what is the taste of acids? Acids are sour in taste. Is it right? Acids are sour in taste, and acids turns the litmus paper from blue color to red color, and acids completely dissociate and to give H plus ions. H plus ions means hydrogen ions. More hydrogen ions will give acids whenever it goes under the dissociation. Understand? And acids are corrode the metals. Whenever acids are poured on the surface of the metal, it can destroy and spoil. These are the some physical properties of acids. Is it right? Let's see now physical properties of bases. The first one, bases are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. Bitter. Acids are sour, but bases are bitter in taste. How we can feel whenever we will eat a bitter gourd? Same that taste only whenever bases we taste. Understand? So acids are bitter in taste. And the next property, bases turns the red litmus paper into the blue color. Bases turns red litmus to blue litmus. Bases turns red litmus to blue litmus. Red litmus to blue litmus. The litmus is a type of indicator, that too natural indicator. By using this litmus paper, we can check the substance whether it is acid or base. See, whenever this litmus paper we dip into that bases, the red color is turns to the blue color. Understand? Whenever you dip the blue color litmus means do not change. Why means that are the bases. Bases is there in the which color litmus? Blue color. Understand? And the next property is bases are dissociates to form a OH minus ions. They dissociates to give OH minus ions. OH minus ions. OH minus means hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion. Understand? OH minus. Whenever these bases are dissociate or dissolved in water to form a more OH minus ions. More OH minus ions, that are called bases. Understand? Now the next property is bases are soapy to touch. Bases are soapy to touch. Soapy to touch. Soapy to touch means what? Whenever we touch the soap or surf, how you can feel that that look, or we can feel like a smooth, no? Like that we can form the lather type, no? That like that we can feel whenever we touch the bases. Understand? So bases soapy to touch. Understand? These are the some physical properties of bases. See once again, bases are bitter in taste and bases turns the red litmus paper into the blue litmus, and bases dissociates or dissolves to give OH minus ions. OH minus ions, but acids give H plus ions. Hydroxyl ions, here there hydrogen ions and here hydroxyl ions. Bases form the hydroxyl ions and bases are soapy to touch. These are the some physical properties of bases. Let's see now its examples. See, some bases we are using in our daily life. Example, daily life bases. Eno means whenever we will get acidity, that time we will use eno. That also example for the base. And baking soda. Baking soda. That also example for the base. And toothpaste. Toothpaste also example for the base, etc. These are the some bases. These are the some bases we are using in our day-to-day life. Understand? Let's see now proper example. See, examples we can classify the strong bases and weak bases also. How acids also classify strong acids and weak acids. No, like that here bases also we can classify strong bases and weak bases. That one let's see now. Strong bases. What is meant by strong bases? What is meant by strong bases? You have learnt in last class. What is meant by strong acids? The acids which undergo complete dissociation in water, that are called strong acid. No, same like that in bases. The bases which undergo completely dissociates. Completely dissociates in water to give OH minus ions. OH minus ions. That bases are called strong bases. The bases which completely dissociates or which dissociates completely in water to form a OH minus ions, that are called strong bases. Example, NaOH. NaOH, and NaOH is the, what is this name? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. KOH, potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. And calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. It's a formula, CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide. Then magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. MgOH twice is the molecular formula for magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. These are the some examples for the strong bases. Some examples for the strong bases. Whenever we will put it in these substances or these bases into the water, it's completely dissociates. Completely dissociates to form a OH minus ions. Let's see one how it's going to dissociate. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is undergo dissociation to form a Na plus OH minus. Na plus OH minus. Like that, completely undergo dissociation. That are called strong bases. Same like this only, each and every strong bases will happen. Let's see now weak bases. Weak bases. Now you know what are the strong bases and examples of strong bases along with its chemical name. These are the chemical name. These are the molecular formulas. Okay. This total practice. Now let's see weak bases. Weak bases. Weak bases means do not dissociate completely. Do not dissociate completely. Strong means it completely dissociates. Is it right? Quite opposite to that. Weak bases means do not dissociate completely. Completely. That bases are called weak bases. The bases which do not dissociate, which do not dissolve completely, that are called weak bases. Example, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Molecular formula NH4OH. NH4OH is the molecular formula. This is the weak base. This is the weak base. This one do not dissociate completely. Do not dissolve completely. This is the example of weak base. Weak base. Let's see now what is mean by alkali. Alkali bases are alkali. What is mean by alkali? Or alkyl. The bases, alkali means the bases which are dissociates completely or which are soluble completely in water. That bases are called alkali. Those alkali nothing but these are the bases which completely soluble in water. That are called alkali. Bases which are soluble in water, that are called alkali. The bases which are soluble or dissolved in water, that are called alkali. Example of alkali, same NaOH and KOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide and also calcium hydroxide. These are the alkali metals. Understand? Dear students, in this class you have studied about physical properties of bases and what is meant by strong base, what is meant by weak base along with its example, and what are the bases we are using in our daily life, each and everything you have studied. Let's see next remaining thing in next class.